Last time my lips were hella chapped, bro. But what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're about to go boating. And then we gotta fix Max's car a little later on today. Thought I'd take you guys along because we got a lot of plans today because it is my fucking boy Grant motherfucking Holman's birthday yesterday. But we partying today for it. Well, we've been partying this whole month for it, but shit's gonna be sick. About to head to the guy's house, pick up the boat, and we're about to go play and enjoy the fucking Saturday that we have. Another thing, I'm gonna be announcing it every day until the event day. July 27th, 12 to 6, we are throwing a pop-up shop. Come through, say what's up. I have some of the new merch that just came in. It's a little accessory. I'll show you when we get to the guy's house. But yeah, it's gonna be 6 July. It's gonna be 6. It's gonna be sick. July 27th, 12 to 6, DOUSED. Please come through. It's a little cloudy today. I don't know if you guys can tell. About to have some fun and we're about to party hella hard tonight. So if you want to fuck with us, stick around for the whole video and yeah, enjoy it. There you go. Oh shit. I'm gone. I'm gone. I'm gone. I don't know what to do. You know how fucking I'll be naked on it. Do it. I don't want to fucking see your dick. Hey! Hurry up, bro! Hold on, man. Damn! I got you. No, you didn't. I know you got me. Fool, do it down.
What did I do? I did not.
You put on like that. Hey, fucker. Okay. Come on, please. I am. Hurry. This is the hard part. Hurry up.
Oh my god! Go! Sit that up! Get a food! He can't! Dude, if we push him, it'd be number 3. Bitch!
What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the Rookie channel. We got Phu right here. We just got done boating and now we're gonna get some work done.
So high.
Huh?
Aim like this. Like that.
Okay. Yeah, we just came back from Jordan now. We got done wakeboarding, tubing. I got flown like a mother trucker. But we got Somchay, Maxx, and then this Kevin over here. It's Grant's special day today. It's his birthday today. Yesterday. Yeah.
We've been celebrating all month though.
Yeah. It's his birthday month.
As you can see, Max had some little car troubles with this car. You want to explain to them what happened?
Camber wear, and I got debeaded. It popped on the way here. Got new tires for the shit.
Yeah, how much was that?
$300.
Damn!
Just getting out 220.
For a set of 4?
Yeah.
Oh shit. I'm actually gonna take his other 2 and throw it on mine. So we'll see how that stretch is gonna be. But check this out, dude. Holy shit, Max. Got fucked.
Yeah. My thought exactly.
Look at that thing, dude. You see the inner barrel.
Huh?
Yeah, right now we're about to take his all his wheels off, head to Mack Wheels, and get a full set of new tires for his car. Should I be that guy today and not help him at all? He got it all up all by himself. I was just chilling there on my phone. Dang, he's sweating, baby.
Hell yeah, I'm sweating.
Good thing we got some cold drinks in here. Oh, I forgot to show them. So earlier I was mentioning I got some new merch in. Where the fuck is it? So we're gonna be releasing these at the pop-up if they get here in time. But we got some flight tags. Rookie on this side. More About Nothing. X Rookie on the other side. Yeah, these are nice. They're not as long as they usually are. A little smaller than the ones Eliminate has, if you guys ever bought those ones. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about these. Me and Max been working our asses off to get these orders done in time, so yeah. But yeah, let's head to Mack Wheels. Got all the wheels and tires loaded. This is why you guys should invest in a truck. I know it's expensive as fuck, but it's worth it in the end. Not the gas, but all the things you can do with it. Yes. Just made it back to the house. I'm so fucking lazy right now. I don't even want to help Max. I'm just gonna sit in here until he tells me what to do. Haven't ate yet either. It's 3 o'clock. Woke up at 8 and I'm just real hangry, man. I'm hangry, bro. Come on. I just want some food in my life. I'm just super hungry. Yo, if you guys have a Ford F-150 2013 edition, bam, baby.
It's nice.
Now you don't have to jump up on there. I barely use this, but when I'm lazy as fuck, that's when I use it. Ooh, look at them fresh meats, man. That's some fresh meat, bro. This is a 9.5 wheel. Ah, shit, man, this is gonna be heavy. Oh, shit. 9.5. What you get on there?
215 35s?
Yeah, 215 35. Look at that stretch, boy. On a 9.5. Yeah, I'm gonna put you guys down for a second.
Same setup.
Yeah, everything's tight. You know we had to give you a little air down for this. Let's see it drop in like it's hot. Oh no. Oh no. Uh-oh, that's bad. Uh-oh.
Yeah?
No. That's these tires,
Oh shit, alright.
Yeah. Y'all see that? Y'all see that right there? Damn, why you air up so high?
I went to my right height. Yeah, that needs to be rolled. Like today. Yeah. But when it's cooler.
What we'll do when it's not as hot.
Yeah.
Just don't air down all the way.
Yeah.
That shit's sitting right on the tire. How's that? How's that side?
That's good. It's fender to wheel. Just that one.
Yeah, we'll work on it later. We'll catch you guys. Well, actually, I'm gonna show you guys the tacos I made last night because that shit's fire. Yeah, I'm gonna go home and eat tacos. I don't know about y'all, but this shit is fire. Got the hard shell and the soft, and the soft shell. But damn. Found down this real quick. I just woke up from a nap. I needed that really bad. Right now I'm heading back to the guy's house. We're about to party it up tonight for Grant's 25th birthday. Gonna be a lot of Hennessy. I'll see how much I record. If not, I'll update you in the morning. But let's see how the night goes.
Gogi. And I can't even eat it.
I'll eat it right in front of you.
Yep, boy. I'm a lot slimmer now.
Hey, you about to slug a beer, baby?
Yep, boy. Happy birthday, Grant.
Yeah, I've been working out.
Been working out extra hard after
Let's go, Tommy.
No straw, no nothing?
6-pack of Corona.
No, it's a kegger. Oh, he don't need no straw. He don't need no straw.
Oh my god, oh my god. Dude, you can do it faster than that. Get another one.
Another one.
Cheers, Grant.
Food and rub, baby, let's go.
Let's get some more Coronas, dude. I want to slap one too after. Cheers. Cheers. Cheers, brother. My junk friend, trio Rita, like something faster.
Junk trios.
Come on, faster, suck that shit, Tony.
Faster, harder,
Tommy will do it.
Hey, it won't be till like 12.
Tommy will do it.
What the fuck is that, Tommy? Fire. What is that?
No, chug those.
Chug those, man.
Double slam it.
Yeah.
Oh, my man's getting drunk.
It's dripping on my arm right now. It's dripping on my arm. Look at that shit. It's drinking right now. I gotta wait for everyone. It's for the birthday. Happy birthday, Grant.
Happy birthday, Grant.
You can't tackle me though. Okay, I can tackle this guy down.
Okay. Oh.
You can't push me down though.